Hello students, so let's start geography first lesson of 6th class NCERT, the earth in the solar system. So here the important topic to learn are full moon and new moon. So the moon is also called Purnima, and new moon, full moon is also called Purnima, and new moon is called Amavasya. Okay, the next term is the celestial bodies. So all the objects that shine in the night sky are called celestial bodies. So sun, moon, stars, etc., all these shine in the sky. So these are called celestial bodies. The next word is constellations. So constellations are in a clear sky, some patterns are formed by different groups of stars. So these patterns are called constellations. So in ancient days, people used to determine the directions using the constellations. So one of the major constellation is Ursa Major constellation, or Big Bear constellation. So in that constellation, in this Big Bear constellation or Ursa Major constellation, there are a group of 7 stars. You can see over here. So this group of 7 stars are called Saptarishi constellation. Okay, so using this Saptarishi constellation, pole star can be located. So this pole star will be in the same position. Its position will not be changed. So by using this star, we can determine the north direction. So this star is also called as the North Star. The next concept is the planets. So the word planet is derived from the Greek word called planetai. Okay, so planetai means wanderer in Greek. So our earth cannot produce heat and light of its own. It gets heat and light from the nearest star called sun. The small bodies that revolve around the earth are called satellites. So satellites are generally of two types. One is natural satellite and the other one is artificial satellite. So our earth we have only one natural satellite called moon. Okay, so it also, the moon also gets light and heat from the sun. The next topic is the solar system. So the sun, along with the 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies like asteroids, meteoroids, form the solar system. So this is the solar system. So the sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. And the trick to remember the order of these planets is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. You can see over here. So this one, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. M stands for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. So before, we used to have 9 planets, but in August 2006, International Astronomical Union meeting was held, and they came to conclusion that Pluto may be called as a dwarf planet. So they removed Pluto from the planets list. So at present there are only 8 planets. So our earth is the third nearest planet to the sun, and it is the 5th largest planet. So it is flat near the poles and it is bulged near the equator. So it is flat near the poles. So here okay, we don't have the picture of earth here. So near the poles the earth is flat, and in the middle it gets bulged. So that shape is called earth like shaped, and it is called geoid shape. Okay, so among the 8 planets present in the solar system, only earth has life. And in fact, 2 by 3rd of the total surface of earth is covered with water, which is one of the basic essential for life. So water is basic essential for life, and 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with water, and only 1 by 3rd of the earth's surface is covered by land. So as the major part of the earth is covered by water, it is also called as the blue planet. And the next topic is moon. So moon is the only natural satellite for earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. The moon revolves around the earth in 27 days. Okay, so here for moon 1 revolution, it is equal to 1 spin. Okay, the moon's 1 revolution is equal to 1 spin. So here only one side of the moon can be seen from the earth. It rotates like this, so that only one side of the moon can be seen from the earth. Okay, so this is how the moon rotates around the earth. So for moon, 1 revolution is equal to 1 spin. So we can only see one side of the moon from earth. So next topic is asteroids and meteoroids. So asteroids and meteoroids both are the tiny bodies that revolve around the earth. The difference between these asteroids and meteoroids are, the asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and the meteoroids revolve around the sun but sometimes come close to the earth and enter into the earth's surface. So as soon as the meteoroid enters into the earth, it gains friction with atmosphere and gets heated up and burns. So we can see this entire process in the sky. Here you can see the meteoroids are burnt due to the friction during the entrance of the earth's atmosphere, and it gets into the earth's surface and it burns. The next topic is galaxy. The group of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases are called galaxy. So in a clear night sky, you can see many stars. All those stars constitute and formed a Milky Way galaxy. So it is also called as Akasha Ganga. And all these group of galaxies form a universe. So now let's quickly know about the important points given in the lesson. So the first one is Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have here the Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. The dust particles are present around these planets like a ring. Next is, in the Roman mythology, Sol means sun god. So the word solar system was derived from the Roman language. So solar means related to sun. Next is the word geo. The word geo is derived from the Greek word. Geology means the study of earth. Geometry geometry means the measurement of earth. Geoid means resembling the shape of the earth. The next one is astronomers topic, this one. So the astronomers are those who study the celestial bodies. Now the celestial bodies are the things which shine in the sky. So all the objects which shine in the sky are called the celestial bodies. So Aryabhatta was the famous astronomer of ancient India. He already said that moon and other planets shine due to the reflected sunlight. Okay, those which shine in the night sky are called the celestial bodies. So the moon and the other planets that shine due to the reflected sunlight are also called the celestial bodies. Next is the light travels at the speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second, and the sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. Next, on 20 July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man to step on the surface of the moon. Now let's go into the questions. So here the first one is, how does a planet differ from a star? So the star has its own illuminating body, whereas a planet does not have its own illuminating body. Next question is, what is meant by the solar system? The solar system means the sun, group of 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids constitute a solar system. Next is, name all the planets according to the distance from the sun. So the trick which was given in this book is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So the planets according to their distances: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, there are 8 planets. Next, why is Earth called a unique planet? So Earth is called a unique planet because it has life. Next, why do we see only one side of the moon always? So we see only one side of the moon always because Earth's moon's one revolution is equal to one spin. So we can only see one side of the moon. Next, what is a universe? Universe is the large number of the combination of all the galaxies is called a universe. So there will be several solar systems in a galaxy, and the combination of all these galaxies is called a universe. So our galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. It is also called Akasha Ganga. Now coming to this one, the planet known as the Earth's twin is, so Venus is called Earth's twin. Its size and shape is almost equal to the Earth. Next is, which is the third nearest planet to the sun? It is Earth. Mercury is the first nearest planet, Venus is the second one, and the Earth is the third one. Next question is, all the planets move around the sun in a elongated path. Okay, option third one is the correct answer. Next is, the pole star indicates the direction to the north. Okay, so the pole star is also called the North Star. Next, asteroids are found between the orbits of, so the asteroids are found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. Next is, fill in the blanks. So a group of dash forming various patterns is called, so a group of stars forming various patterns is called constellation. So Ursa Major constellation or a Big Bear constellation is the big constellation. So in that, Saptarishi constellation is present. Okay, so the group of 7 stars is called Saptarishi constellation. So those 7 stars indicate the pole star. The pole star is also called the North Star. The next question is, a huge system of stars is called a galaxy. Next, the next one is, dash is the closest celestial body to the earth. So the closest celestial body is the moon. Next, now what is the celestial body? All the objects that shine in the night sky are called celestial bodies. So moon is also a celestial body. Next is, dash is the third nearest planet to the sun. It is the earth, and it is the 5th largest planet. Our earth is the 5th largest planet. Next is, planets do not have their own dash and dash. It is heat and light. Okay, so we have completed first lesson of 6th class NCERT geography. Thank you for watching.